Manipur Youth League Mayol's Long March for National Regeneration has entered day 9 today. The long march began from Wangjing today at 7 a.m. and proceeded to Yaripok Top Chingtha Kuno LP School, Imphal East. A public meeting was held at Ibudao Kamlangba Shrine, Taubal Khetri Laikai. Many resource persons spoke about the present prevailing situation in Manipur in detail. The team will Yaripok Top Chingtha Kuno LP School after organizing a public meeting at NNYA ground Top Yaripok in the evening and at around 4 p.m. Many resource persons will deliver speech in the meeting.
Mayolna Pongjaba Adumba booklet, Angamba Makum Panjaba booklet asi, Pabiu, Nainabiu, Maramdi Hariba booklet asida, Akoigi, Ireba, Ifru, Amadi Akoi Kunais, the Tengariba, Singnava Sing, Adu Kari Karino, Masikiam Kudong Tiningai Oi, Loinana, Karamna Koi, Pakum Pigani, response Pigani Habado, Marik Chumni, Yaubani, Makai China, Masakani Observani, Maramadam Natangi Nabiu, Masai was asking a Tambigiba, Akoigi, Lengak Londa, Kunai Rolda, Semilonda, Aikoigi, Mausai Kalda, Amadi Aikoigi, Kunaisida, Draki, Mahum Sazalakpa, corruption Aikoigi culture not Oirapa, Asugum Lava Singnava Kaman Mangno Tadun Lairabani, Adubu, Aikoigi Singnava Singasina, Lakshinuna Koisi, Mankagadra Hibagi, Aikoidum Tuminlay Tolaga Mahan Gadra Hibagi, Madu Wanga Dunimiam, the Tamzariba. Akoi Mangba Yaroi, Akoi Punabak Tinagani Habasa, Masi, Mayu Achet Pop Firebni, Maramaduna, Nasai, Ozana Pandikiba, Akoi politics Tobatai. Karama politics, Akoi, Afaba Makalgi politics, Akoigi, Mayol Tamzaba, Lengaklongi, Mayoldi, Frukan Mani, Paramaduna, Akoi, Frukanaba politics over Tai.